Hello from Adventure Island. Welcome to Great Wolf Lodge here in Grapevine near Dallas, Texas. Today we're going to go take a look at the indoor water park that's here at Great Wolf Lodge. But first I just want to show you guys this behind me. These are some of the water slides that start inside but actually make their way outside the building towards the parking lot. So I'm just going to give you a quick look of these water slides that actually go outside the building, and then we'll go inside and tour the water park. Since I am here for an event at Great Wolf Lodge, I'm actually able to go to the water park after it's officially closed so that I can show you guys around and give you a tour of everything the water park has to offer. So you will probably never see an indoor water park at Great Wolf Lodge this empty, but right now we are going to take a quick tour. So this is the kids splash pad area that has very shallow water. And then over here, this is the kids area that has slides and a water dropping bucket, and we will go and take a closer look. We'll come back at the very end and take a look at this whole water structure area, but right now let's go take a look at the lazy river, the wave pool, and some of these big indoor slides, which actually go all the way out to the front of the resort. So here in the lazy river, they have some pretty cool stuff. So there is actually a slide there that goes into the lazy river. There's always lifeguards on duty here. They've got some fun bare water features hanging out. And up here, these are the slides. There's different kinds of slides, and we'll go take a look at each of them. But this whole area right here, this is the lazy river, which goes like a pretty good distance around inside this indoor water park. They've also got a lot of chairs available. And over here we have the wave pool. So at the entrance of the wave pool, there's also what I like to call kind of like a jellyfish water feature there, some splash pad water features, and then there's also a wave pool, which is about to get started right now. They're going to start all these waves, and I'll come back to this in a minute. But this is the area where you can kind of play and float and hang out. And it's got some cute theming as well, and of course there's always a lot of lifeguards. And lifeguards aren't the only safety feature they have here at Great Wolf Lodge. There's also an entire camera system set up throughout the entire resort where people that are not inside the water park area are also looking out to make sure that everybody is being safe. Up here you can see kind of the bottom of some of these water slides. And over here we'll take a look at each of these tube rides. And for the tube rides, based on your height, you get different wristbands. So some of the tube rides, like the Howlin' Tornado, require a green wristband, which means you must be at least 48 inches tall. And then some of these, like River Canyon Run, can be a green or yellow wristband, which means you can be between 42 and 48 inches tall. So just keep that in mind. There are height requirements for some of the features here inside the water park. And then over here, there are a couple more fun features. Here you can try to walk across the stepping stones, and there's also just an area where you can play basketball, or you can just hang out and enjoy the water. They provide life jackets for anybody who wants them here at the indoor park, and there's lots of Great Wolf Lodge theming. Now if you want to do some of the kind of smaller water slides, there are smaller water slides over here that younger kids can do, and they're attached to that big Great Wolf Lodge water feature that we saw when we kind of first came in. So we will go over here and take a look. But before we get to this water feature, right here we have the exit for the yellow, orange, and green slides. But these are some pretty massive water slides. The wave pool is now going, so you can see those waves that are crashing in to the end of the wave pool over there. And here inside the water park, you can also rent out cabanas, which you can see on the other side of the wave pool, but they're actually located in several different spots inside this inside water park. Also here in the water park, anyone can check out towels to use. And they've got a shopping area in case you forgot anything or just need something extra. You can grab sunglasses, though it is indoors. They also have towels, water shoes, bathing suits, and cover-ups. And there's a spot to get drinks. If you bought the refillable cups, you can refill those right here. And here in the front, they do have, this is called the Lots of Dump Water Zone. And every few minutes, that Great Wolf Lodge bucket will dump water here into the water park area. They don't have it running right now because they're actually working on the water park since it is after hours.
Over here, they have this nice seating area and they have some lockers, plus they have some cabanas. So the lockers are $15, $19, or $20. So if you want to bring anything down here that you don't want anybody to see, or you want to keep it safe from the water, you have a place to put your things.
And here inside the water park, there's also a bar called the Watering Hole, and there's a place where you can grab quick service food. Plus here you can find the entrance to the ropes course. If you've never been to a Great Wolf Lodge, this is an incredible place to bring your family. There are so many fun things to do, especially here inside the water park, and I highly recommend checking it out soon.